Hello friends, welcome back to YouTube channel Math Made Easy by Bharat sir. In today's session, we'll see some of very interesting previous year JEE main question from the chapter permutation and combination. Now, chapter like permutation, combination, probability, one have to read question very carefully. There are a lot of small information which you need to grasp very accurately. Because one small information if you miss, you'll end up with the wrong option. So let's start with this very interesting JEE Main 2018 paper question. The question says the number of numbers between 2000 and 5000 that can be formed using 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, where repetition of digit is not allowed and number such formed is multiple of 3. Lot of small information. We need to understand this very nicely. First, we need a number between 2000 5000 and number must be divisible by 3. So the first question is, if I want to select numbers from 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 such that the number is divisible by 3 is very important thing to do here, right? Now, for this you need to remember the divisibility rule of 3. Do you remember the divisibility rule of 3? It just says that sum of all the digits have to be multiple of 3. If sum of all the digits is multiple of 3, then the number itself is a multiple of 3. So the question is, in how many ways I can take the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, only 4 out of them, 4 digit number banana hai, only 4 out of them, so that the sum of this number is divisible by 3. Now, that's the most important thing. What you can do is you can develop your own ability to think by just hitting that pause button for a minute, and you can try to think how many different ways we can select the numbers. So, let me discuss this in detail. So, the case 1 here is, what you can do is you can take 0, 1, 2 and 3, because if you add this 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3, what you get is 6, and 6 is a multiple of 3. So this is the one important way we can take this 4 digit out of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But is there any other way? There have to be, right? So what is case 2 here? Understand case 2 also very nicely. We can take 0, 2, 3, 4. Why? Again same reason. If you add 0 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, you end up with 9, and 9 is also a multiple of 3. So there are two basically different ways which we can select such that sum of this numbers is divisible by 3. But how many different ways we can form numbers out of this? Now, one very important thing will come into the picture is we need a 4 digit number between 2000 and 5000. So let's understand that part of the problem also in detail. What we do here is we just understand that if we take case 1 and if we want to form a 4 digit number, what we can do here is at 1000 place, see we are taking numbers 0, 1, 2 and 3. My question is, can we take 0 at 1000 place? Nahi le sakte, right? We need number bigger than 2000. Can we keep 1 at the 1000 place? Nahi, right? So at 1000 place we have only two options, either 2 and 3. So at 1000 place we have two options. Now suppose one of this is gone, 2 of 3 में से suppose 3 चला गया. Suppose we kept 3 over there. Now at 100 place now we have 3 options. We can keep 0, we can keep 1, we can keep 2. So 3 options. Suppose one of them is gone. Suppose 0 is gone. So at 10th place we have 2 options. Suppose 1 is gone. So at unit place we have only 1 option. So total number of ways we can select this way is 2 into 3 into 2, that is 6 into 2, 12 ways we can select number using case 1. ठीक है, नाउ केस 2 देखते हैं. अगेन बेसिक आइडिया इज सेम. हमें क्या करना है, हमें एक 4 डिजिट नंबर बनाना है. बट दिस टाइम वी कैन हैव 0, 2, 3 एंड 4. अगेन द क्वेश्चन इज 0, 1, 2, 0, 2 है हमारे पास, 0, 2, 3 एंड 4. कैन वी कीप 0 एट द 1000 प्लेस? 1000 प्लेस पे 0 तो नहीं आएगा. सो हाउ मेनी ऑप्शंस वी हैव? वी हैव 3 ऑप्शन टू सिलेक्ट and keep at 1000 place. Suppose 4 chala gaya. Now how many options are left with us? We have 3 options. We can keep 0, 2, 3, any of this number at 100 place. One more is gone. How many options left? 2. One more is gone. How many options left with us? 1. So in case 2 we have 3 into 3, 9 into 2, 18 different ways to select the number. So what is the total possibility? Understand this. Total possibility we have is 12 plus 18, that is 30 different ways we can arrange number using 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Multiple of 3 between 2000 and 5000. So my answer here is option number A is the correct answer, 30. Easy here, right? Learn to develop the thought process. That's the key to success in JEE Mains paper. Let's do question number 2. Question number 2 is from 2016 JEE paper. Let's understand the question very nicely. That's the key to success as discussed earlier, right? The question says, if the 4-letter word need not be meaningful are to be formed using the letters of the word Mediterranean, such that the first letter is R and the fourth letter is E, then the total number of such words is, we have 4 options. Now let's understand this question. A 4-letter word we want to make. The question says the first letter have to be R and the fourth letter have to be E. That means we need 2 more letters. Now, understand the Mediterranean is a word where some alphabets are repeating. So we have to take care of this constraint very nicely. Let's understand this alphabets. We have A is coming twice. Then we have D. And then we have E coming 3 times. We have I. We have M, we have N coming twice, and we have R coming twice, and we have T. Let me count how many letters are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. In Mediterranean there are 13 alphabets and I have arranged all 13 alphabets. ठीक है? This is the first thing. अगर आपका एक भी अल्फाबेट मिस हो गया कहीं पे, गॉन. बी वेरी केयरफुल. ठीक है, बहुत बार होता है ऐसा कि व्हेन यू हैव अ बिग वर्ड, अ 13, 14, 15 अल्फाबेट वर्ड, अगर एक भी आप लेटर ठीक से अरेंज नहीं करते, you not get the answer. Let's understand now this further. Now what happens is, in this particular word we have A coming twice, ठीक है, we have E coming thrice, but 2 बार तो बच गया because एक बार तो 4th place पे आ गया, so we have still 2 E and we have N also coming twice. So the question is, this remaining 2 letters can be any of this 3. Repeating भी तो हो सकता था. So how many ways we can select this is, out of this 3 we can select 1, right? 3C1. So there are 3 ways we can select this in between 2 words. They can be repeating, okay? But there is one more possibility, that the letters in between are distinct. वो कैसे select करेंगे? So let's understand how many different alphabets we have. 1, A is coming twice, but I'm taking it as 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 different alphabets. अब हो सकता है इन 8 में से कोई भी 2 सिलेक्ट कर लो. So that is selection, but हमें arrange करना है, right? So what I'll do here is 8p 2 ways. मैं arrange कर रहा हूं उन्हें, right? So I will arrange this out of 8 letters. I can arrange those in 8p 2 ways. That is 8 factorial upon 8 minus 2, which is 6 factorial. That is 8 into 7 into 6 factorial getting cancelled. So 8 into 7, 56. So we total here will be 56 plus 3, that is 59 different ways, and that is my option number B is the correct answer. So be very careful when you read this type of question. Understand what exactly they want you to do, and please put it down on the paper. Huh? Mediterranean is a big word with 13 alphabets. You have to be very careful. Let's take third question. In question number 3, we have the number of integers greater than 6000 that can be formed using 3, 5, 6, 7 and 8 without repetition. So I want a number bigger than 6000. ठीक है? So यहाँ पे भी 2 केस होंगे. Can you think what are the 2 different cases that we can have? Because we have 3, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So there are 2 cases here. Can you think what are the 2 different cases here? You can hit that pause button, think for a minute and then proceed. That's the best way to learn. So case 1 is we can have a 4-digit number. Case 2, we can have a 5-digit number. They did not say anywhere that you have to form only 4-digit number, right? But they say without repetition, मतलब आप 4-digit number बना सकते हो तो 5-digit, 6-digit नहीं बना सकते, right? हमारे पास 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 only 5 digits are given, so we can have either a 4-digit number or we can have a 5-digit number. Constant is number have to be bigger than 6000. So जब 4-digit number बनाएंगे, so can I that time keep 3 or 5 at 1000 place? नहीं रख सकते, right? So 1000 place पे हमारे पास 3 ही ऑप्शन रहेंगे, either 6 or 7 or 8. One of this is gone. Say 7 is gone. ठीक है? Now how many digits are left with us? 4 digits are left with us. So at 100 place 4 options we have. At tens place one of this is gone, so 3 option. At unit place we'll be left with 2 option. So this is nothing but 4th is a 12 into 6, 72 different ways we can form a 4-digit number. But we can have 5-digit number also, right? And all 5-digit number will be bigger than 6000. So there is no constraint. At 10,000 place we can keep any of this 5. एक चला जाएगा because we cannot repeat the digit. So how many options are left with us to keep at the 1000 place? 4 digits are left with us. So 4, 1 more gone, 3, 1 more gone, 2, 1 more gone, 1, 5 into 3 into 2 into 1, 5 factorial. याद होना चाहिए कि ये 120 होता है. Add this, you get 192, and that is nothing but my option number D is the correct option. This was asked in 2015 paper. Let's go to the next question. Our question number 4 says the number of ways of selecting 15 teams from 15 men and 15 women such that each team consists of a man and a woman. So we have 15 men, 15 women, and we want to select a team of 15 people. How many ways this can be done? And a team must have 1 man, 1 woman. So the first time what we have is we can select out of 15 men we can select anyone, and out of 15 women we can select anyone. So that is 15 into 15, that is 15 square different possibilities, right? Second time 1 man and 1 woman is already selected, So we have 14 into 14, 14 square option. ऐसे करते करते लास्ट में what will happen is we'll have 1 into 1, ठीक है. So that is 14, 13, 12 ऐसे करते करते जाएंगे एंड लास्ट में हमारे पास 1 into 1, 1 square ऑप्शन बचेंगे. Now this you actually suddenly start thinking about sequence and series का series part. Do you remember what is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square so on up to 15 square is? इसको कैलकुलेट ऐसे करने जाएंगे तो बहुत टाइम लगेगा, राइट. सो रिमेंबर सीरीज का फॉर्मूला. व्हाट इज 1 स्क्वायर, 2 स्क्वायर सो ऑन अप टू n स्क्वायर. दैट इज नथिंग बट n plus 1, 2n plus 1 everything divided by 6. Now this way it will be easier for me to calculate. 15 into 16 into 15 into 2, 30 plus 1 we get 31 upon 6. बस मुझे इतना कैलकुलेट करना था. So let's calculate this. In the table of 3 this will be 2, this will be 5. In the table of 2 this will be 8. 5 into 8 is 40 into 31 and multiply कर देंगे ये तो we get 4, 124, 1240 and that's nothing but my option number D. Very easy problem, but the question involves idea of permutation, combination and series, sequence series का series part में से formula. This kind of question are very repeatedly asked. This is was also asked in 2015 paper में ये पूछा गया था, ठीक है. So first time 15 options थे, 15 men थे, 15 women थे, 15 into 15, 15 square. Second time पे 14 into 14, 14 square. Third time पे 13 into 13, 13 square. So on 15 square, 14 square, 13 square, 12 square so on up to add करते गए. सीरीज का फॉर्मूला यूज कर दिया. सम ऑफ द फर्स्ट n स्क्वायर नेचुरल नंबर का फॉर्मूला था n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. फॉर्मूला अप्लाई किया, we got the answer very quickly. Very interesting question, isn't it? Let's go to our last question for the day. So question number 5 was asked in 2014 JEE paper. Little lengthy question but not difficult. Let's read the question first. The question says, two women and some men participated in a chess tournament in which every participant played two games. Very important information. Every participant played two games with each other. If number of games that men played between themselves exceeds the number of games that men played with the women by 66, ठीक है. यहां से एक इक्वेशन बन सकता है. Then the number of men who participated in the tournament lies in which interval? So we have 4 options and what we want to find here is the number of men played this tournament is lying in which interval, ठीक है. So answer आने के बाद में भी we have to understand that number lies in one of the 4 options, one of the 4 intervals. Which interval does it lie? Chalo, let's start. Let's try to make an equation first. So the question says there are some men. So let us assume here that there are n men and 2 women. N men among themselves can play NC2 matches, but everybody is playing 2 matches with other participants. So 2 times NC2 is the total number of matches played between all the men participants. Now how many matches are played between men and women? Since there are 2 women and n men, there will be 2n matches, but again everybody is playing 2 matches with other participant. So 2 times 2n. Now the question says that number of matches played between men exceeds number of matches played between men and women is 66. Let's put it down this as an equation. So what we get here is we get this as 2 times NC2 minus 2 times 2n is equal to 66. So if we simplify this, 2 NC2 means n factorial, 2 factorial, n minus 2 factorial. 2 times 2n I'm writing as 4n is 66. थोड़ा और simplify कर देते. 2 factorial is 2, so this is getting cancelled. n factorial upon n minus 2 factorial. Can I write n factorial के बदले n minus 1 n minus 2 factorial cancel हो जाएगा. ठीक है. So when this is getting cancelled, we can very easily get an equation, right? So this is getting cancelled, so we get n square minus n minus 4n is 66. This is n square minus 5n minus 66 equal to 0. Quadratic equation form हो गया वहाँ पर. Let's solve this. This is very easily solved. You can do without my help also. 66 is nothing but 11 into 6, and 11 and 6 का difference is 5. So this will give me n minus 11, n plus 6 equal to 0. Give me two options for n. N can be equal to 11 or n can be equal to minus 6, but I am saying n cannot be equal to minus 6. Negative नहीं हो सकता, right? Therefore n का value is 11. Let's understand now n equal to 11 lies in which of these four intervals. Can 11 lie between 8 and 9? No, right? Can 11 lie between... Now observe here, there is open interval. So 11 and 13. 11 open interval, 13 close interval. So 11 does not lie between that. So that option number C can also not be the answer. 14 and 17 के बीच में 11 does not lie. 11 lies between 10 and 12, right? 12 पे open interval है, but doesn't matter. 11 is between 10 and 12. So my answer here is option number B is the correct answer. Total number of men participant 11, which lies between the interval 10 and 12. Very easy question. You make sure that you practice more such questions. ठीक है. In next session we'll see some more interesting question for permutation combination. Till the time, everybody, bye for now. Keep working hard, keep working smart. See you soon.